Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix msvcp140.tll missing error in Windows 11. So guys, to resolve this problem, firstly open any. Now here type msvcp140.tll download. So type this one and click on this first link. Now download this file as your PC requirement, like 64-bit or 32. And once you successfully download, double click on this zip file. Now drag and drop this file on desktop. Now click on start and open File Explorer, local disk, then click on Windows. Now here guys, you have to find out system32 folder, this one. So open this system32 folder. Now drag and drop this file in system32 folder. Make sure you drop this file in blank area. It will ask this permission replace the file in the destination. Click on replace. Continue. So like this guys, you can fix and resolve msvcp140.tll missing error in Windows 11. Thanks for watching guys. Please comment this method work for you or not.